The Karnataka Cabinet, led by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, passed a resolution on Tuesday requesting the central government to release the rupees 5,000 crore for the development of the Kalyana Karnataka region. This meeting, which coincided with the annual Kalyana Karnataka Utsava, celebrated every year to mark the liberation of the region from the Nizam's rule and also marked 10 years since the region received special status under Article 371J of the Constitution. The Cabinet approved a long pending demand to establish a separate secretariat for the region, which includes the districts of Bidar, Ballari, Vijayanagara, Kalaburagi, Koppal, Raichur, and Yadgir. Additionally, it gave the green light to 56 projects amounting to Rs 12,692 crore, with Rs 11,770 crore dedicated to the Kalyana Karnataka region. Key projects include upgrading Bidar and Raichur municipal councils into corporations and a Rs 7,200 crore drinking water project for villages in Bidar and Kalaburagi. The Cabinet also agreed to fill 17,439 vacant government posts in phases. The state government is planning to invest Rs 1,685 crore to develop Kalaburagi into a smart city and improve infrastructure in backward districts under the Mahatma Gandhi Nagar Vikas Yojana 2.0. A new scheme called Kalyana K'taka will further improve road connectivity by building 1,150 km of roads in rural constituencies at a cost of Rs 1,000 crore.